Hey, good morning. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. Here to discuss opening bell and the future of today with quad witching day. Basically all options expirations are happening today. So it's most likely going to be pretty volatile. And sure enough, started out, man, around 9:05 for whatever reason. Just, I mean, lots of contracts trading, 38,000. That's crazy. So we were set up, our indicators, believe it or not, were for a long because the close yesterday was at 1600 was right up in this area. So I wanted to go short, but I went long just to go with our indicators. Personally traded short also on some other charts, but we'll show you. I would have liked to have, I said in chat, I would have liked to have a limit order right at this, the bottom of this wicket, 3905, and we'll see what happens. But I did go long and got stopped out. So it went up to 3905 and a quarter, which would have been a great short, and watch what happens. It just keeps going. So basically one more, bam, got in long at 38, just below this, 38, 80, 50 after this move. Had a good look right there with a short wick and got in and made some money there. So lost money on the way down, made money on the way back. 6 candles closing on the 5-minute outside of the 2 sigma. To me, huge. Normally it goes 4. 5 is extreme. This look with the rejection and one last blow off was telling me to get in. So that's just a little advanced stuff there. Let's look at the dailies and see where we are. So we had a break below a channel line. 3900 was yesterday's call, and we hit that. And now we are below the pivot point. We're below the 21 period. We're touching the almost the Bollinger. So we're back to this gap over here, and there's a doji on the 23rd. Are we going to hit 67 today? That looks possible. So that to me looks like about the bottom, and then to get a turnaround. But we shall see, because it's triple witching. Who knows what's going to happen? Where does that put us? 68 is the 200 period on the 4-hour, and the doji is at 67. So somewhere 67, 68. That looks like where it's going to be. Let's check out the other charts. So the M2K, very similar look, just a few days in advance, where it's been down, down, down. We had the most bullish chart on the planet. We peaked out, and now we have the most bearish. But it looks very similar. It looks like we're running out to potentially today. I don't know if we'll hit 2200, but there's a pin bar. There's a lot of like lines in the sand at 2202. Needing to touch the 50 period at 2190. I don't know if we're going to get there, but right now it looks like just to get past this 2335, 2336 area looks tough. So we shall see. On the 5-minute right now, it kind of looks like we hit a bottom and we're turning around. I did have a spot to get in, but we didn't get in there. So let's check out. Right now, I would say the M2K may not get down to where I'm thinking, at least today. It hasn't come up and touched the bottom of the channel at 2283. Does that mean at some point today we could hit it? Yep, we shall see. I'm thinking potentially up first and then maybe back down. Remember, it's going to be volatile today, so I'm not trading. I'm just staying out. You don't have to trade every day, but if you see something that fits your need, like that long, that I got into, I'm not trading the rest of the day, but the opening bell was fun. So you don't have to trade. Protect your profit, protect your capital today. And as predicted, we finally went below the 12.8. Talked about that yesterday. This looks, man, it's hard to know what this is going to do to get past 12,655. Once it hits that, wow. 12,655. Let me do something real quick. So on the dailies, you can see this line where it hits, and yeah, there's a lot of wicks below it, but there's a lot of solids just in this area. And right here, we had a kind of a break. I mean, anywhere's between this region Y area with the line in there. So, I mean, that's not that far away. I see it coming down there, and then that's going to be a spot for maybe a bounce. So short-term MNQ, yep, we've broken the lows. Are we going to hit it? I don't know. 12,655, 12,650. We'll see. Right now, lots below the new line in the cards is this 10 period EMA on all of our charts, and everything is down right now. So are we going to get a turnaround, or are we going to keep going lower? We'll find out. Thanks for being with us this week. Smash the like button, subscribe, and we've got a lot more videos that I'm going to share with people that we trust and really appreciate their input on how to become a more profitable trader with position, situational awareness, and risk management. And going to do a lot with cryptos too. So as we're getting ready to touch this spot, we'll have a great day and a good weekend. See you on the other side.